ginger bug. Ginger bug is a fermented starter, kind of like a sourdough starter, only you do it with fresh ginger. And you can take that bug, and after you have fermented it, it's a nice fizzy little mixture that you can add to teas and any sort of drink that you might want to make into a probiotic drink with a little fizz to it. So let's get started. So I've already cut up my ginger here, but you want to start with organic ginger, because non-organic ginger, conventional ginger, is irradiated, and so it won't have the live organisms on it that an organic ginger will have. I'm also adding to it a little bit of turmeric. There's just a small amount here. I've already cut this up. The turmeric was not organic. I couldn't find organic, and recently I've had difficulty finding organic turmeric. But you can combine them together, and the probiotic organisms from the ginger will be good for the live culture, and you'll still get the benefits of the turmeric from the conventional turmeric. So what you do is you take about an ounce of ginger. There's really no hard and fast rule of, it's got to be exactly an ounce. So I've cut that up. You're going to take a quart mason jar, or actually a pint. Is that a pint? And you're going to put your ginger in there, and you're going to start the bug with 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can do that with regular sugar, honey, maple syrup. I actually have 2 different things here. I have a date sugar, and I have an organic unbleached sugar. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of each. And then you're going to add 2 cups of water. It needs to be chlorine-free water, so that would be distilled water, spring water, or if you have a filtration system in your house that's removing chlorine, that will work as well. But the chlorine will kill the bugs, so you don't want to use tap water, because tap water has chlorine. So you're just going to put it in here. Maybe it is a quart jar. And shake that up. And what's going to happen is there are live lactobacillus organisms and yeast on the ginger. And then you're also going to have had wild yeast in the air in your home, and those will also have populated your ginger. You will let this sit for 24 hours, and it will start to bubble and release carbon dioxide. Then what you need to do over the next week or so is every day or so, you will need to feed your bug with a little bit more ginger and a little bit more sugar. So, you can just cut up another small nodule of your ginger each day and add that to your bug with another teaspoon of sugar. And just continue to feed your bug like you would a sourdough over the course of, let's say, 7 to 10 days. And then at the end of that, you will strain all of the material out of it, and you'll just have this nice fizzy starter that you can keep in your refrigerator. And then if you want to make, let's say you want to make a fizzy hibiscus tea, you make your tea, let it cool a bit, and then add your bug to it and a few ice cubes, and you've got a nice refreshing drink that's probiotic and good for your gut.